Alright guys, now I'm all warmed up. I got both my quads out here and a fresh battery on both of them. So this video, I'm back at the incinerator. As you guys saw from the last video, I already flew my warm-up pack and I got everything figured out. You guys see me try the DJI antennas. Don't do it, it don't work. So I got my regular antennas back on there. I got both quads out here. And this is my Stingy V2 right here. This is my Stark. And I got my GoPro and I'm gonna fly one and I'm gonna fly the other. So in this video, I'm gonna kind of try to rip a little bit hard. I'm gonna try to go hard, go through stuff, do epic stuff. I'm gonna fly both quads and edit it into one video and just put the best clips together and do kind of a fancy edit on it. So see what you guys think about this. Let me know in the comments. So it's not gonna be a one-pack rip or nothing. It's gonna be highly edited and the best of the best. So check this footage out and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Incinerator time.
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell them it's ice. I got one for y'all, ringing, she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the dome and just whole team here, money some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer though. If you're down in my management, I'm just warming up and wait till I overdose and saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town when you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you the things when your pockets down. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell them it's ice. I got one for you and bringing she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. I keep giving game away. I put game on layaway. I got paid to play today. I get paid to stay away. I get paid on rainy days. I might make it rain today. I got paid on pain today. Thought it take the pain away. In my own lane, single road. I would never sell my only soul. Heard your whole team was for sale. Heard it's on the market for the low. Who the realest, we might never know. All this acting, you gon' play a role. Give you the world when they sign you up. Try you out and then they line you up. Now you're looking hungry, lips are touching, need some food. Now you're all on live acting surprised, but you was fooled. Boy, get out the way, it's been a day, now you're on news. Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my moves. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell them it's ice. I got one for y'all, bringing she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell them it's ice. I got one for y'all, bringing she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos.
That was fun. Alright guys, that was the Stingy V2 with my GoPro 7 Black on it. I haven't got to fly the Stark yet. My battery on my radio's dying, so I'm gonna go home and charge my battery on my radio and try to make it back right before sunset, right at golden hour, and fly my Stark with the Hero 7 Black on it and edit it all up into one video for you guys. Hopefully it turns out good. I was trying to do a couple of dives, but I'm worried about losing signal so much now. I tried a couple times to dive those towers. When I come back at golden hour, we're diving the towers, a big dive straight down the towers. Anyway, I'll see you guys back here in a little bit. Snap to the golden hour. Snap. Sun's starting to go down. There's some people around now, so I gotta kind of be careful. But I'm gonna finish. This is my Stark now. I'm gonna fly with my Stark. And here we go. Check it out. Yes, guys, this spot is awesome. I'm getting better at ripping too. Later, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Love you guys.